Are you ready to make a pizza today? Making pizza is a great way to learn fractions. For 2 pizzas, you need flour, water, 2 bowls of mozzarella, sugar, salt, garlic, yeast, red wine vinegar, olives, pepperoni, and whatever toppings you need. You also need a measuring spoon, a rolling pin, and a blender. Now let's make the dough. You need 1 teaspoon of yeast. We also need 1 teaspoon of sugar, and we need 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's put the water little by little and mix it. It feels so weird. It's like holding something very sticky like goo. And it's very weird. This is my first experience of doing this. It's very sticky. Look how sticky it is. I'm going to put this in a flat surface to knead it properly. It's huge. And also sometimes you don't need all the water because it might become too loose. And also I had a bit of help from my mother. Kneading is actually really fun. It's like hitting rocks. I've made the dough into a ball, so now I'm going to put it back into the bowl. We have to cover it with a damp tea towel for 1 hour. While the dough is resting, we can make the tomato sauce. First, we need to put the plum tomatoes. And then we need 2 leaves. And then, if you want a bit of spice, we can put a chili. Then you need a bit of garlic. And we need a pinch of salt. And then we need 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Then we'll blend it. Now let's take the dough out of the bowl. Oh God, it's so hard. It's so. Let's make this into 2 equal balls. It's so stretchy. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Roll 1 ball into a circular shape. Almost finished. sauce we've made onto the pizza's thing. I'm going to fold this on the edges to make it a bit more crispier. This is so cool. Okay, now let me just smoothen this out. Okay, I'm gonna cut the bell pepper with my mum's help. Now let's put the toppings. Salami, or you can call it pepperoni. This is delicious. Now we're gonna put olives. Here and there. Now we're gonna put a bit of this. Now we're gonna put some basil leaves. Oh, this is so cool. Now let's grate the mozzarella cheese. It's the first time ever I'm grating something, so hopefully it doesn't go wrong. I don't even know how to grate this. Grating is really hard for me, so I'm just gonna pick and just do that. I love cheesy pizza, that's delicious. Let's transfer this into an oven plate. By accident, I kind of put the dough on here, so it actually stuck. So we had to like pick it up and put it on here, so it actually came a bit messed up. Now it's ready to go in the oven. Let's go! We're making the second pizza while we wait for the first one to cook. Mozzarella cheese. I can't believe the size grew. That's amazing, man. That's so cool. Oh my god, that is so big. So big. That was a total success. Yes. Making pizza is a great way to learn fractions. A fraction is a portion of something larger. If there are 4 of you, you need to make it into 4 equal parts. So that means you have to divide it by 4. This is 1 by 4. You can just make the second pizza the same way. Here I go. So I am eating 1 by 4th of the pizza. If you have 6 friends, you can just divide it into 6. Each piece will be 1 by 6. I think next time we can make it better. Don't forget to like and subscribe.